Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your test and live API keys from your Stripe account. So all you have to do is head over to stripe.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, navigate to developers. Then click on developers, then click on API keys. And this is where you get your test and live API keys. In the standard keys section, you should be able to see your publishable key and your secret key. And beside it are the tokens for the specific key. Then just click on the specific key to copy it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!